Hello everyone, this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So I'm excited to share with you Eureka Crystal Beads' latest collection, which I have collaborated with them and had such a ball picking out these beads. I hope you're going to love it as much as I do. It's called Underground Cavern Collection. So before we look at everything, I just wanted to tell those of you who are not familiar with the collections that this is not a subscription. It is a beautifully curated collection of beads, findings, all kinds of beading goodies that Eureka Crystal Beads offers on their website monthly. So go take a look, see all the collections that are available. They're really gorgeous. They always hit it out of the park. So we're going to open this up and get a look at these gorgeous beads. Okay, so I pulled out my inspiration picture, and we'll get to this in a minute. I just wanted you to get the mood. So anyway, before we get started, Eureka Crystal Beads will have a giveaway of the Autumn in New York collection, which is the collection I curated with them back in September. I believe it was September. All you have to do to enter is be a subscriber to their newsletter. So I'll add a link to the newsletter in this description box under the video, as well as some more details about the giveaway. Also, from May 2nd to May 9th, a special code you can use, multi-deal, I'll put that in the description box as well, will take 5% off any 2 collections and 10% off any 3 collections. So it's kind of like a make your own bundle deal. So again, I'll add the code in the description box. Now I want to share my inspiration for the collection. So my inspiration for this collection is this picture of a cenote. And during my little inspiration clip, I will show you some of the pieces I made using some of the beads from the collection. So cenotes are stunning underground caves that exist in the Yucatan Peninsula. So these caves are filled with crystal clear fresh water. So here are some earrings that I made using some of the beads. So these caves are actually sinkholes. So the earth above has collapsed to expose these magical underground limestone caverns with these gorgeous pools of water. And so here's a bracelet that I will be making a video for. Okay, so I have this little pendant and necklace, and I just think it's so pretty. So these pools of water were used as a water source for the ancient Mayans. I think they're still used as a water source today, and also a place you can visit. Some of them are open to the public, and you can swim and snorkel in them, and just sit and just be amazed at the beauty of what's underneath the Earth's surface. Getting out of the bag, and I can't wait to share them with you individually. But first, I just want to show you, here's our little inspiration paragraph about, the underground caverns. I'll let you read that on your own. And here is our list. So everything has a category. So seed beads, check glass. We have Swarovski crystal. We have elite crystal. We have Preciosa crystal, Chinese crystal, and findings. So everything is identified by its SKU number right here. You can just type that into their search bar and that item will come up. I do that all the time when I want to reorder. If you have a ×2, ×6, whatever, you get 2 or 6 of that item. And you get free shipping, free US shipping, and all orders over $39.99. So you will get free shipping on this. So let's get a look at the Underground Cavern collection. Okay, we'll start with the seed beads. So I really wanted to capture the walls of the cave. So we're starting out with the Toho 11-0, and I love this Toho 11-0. I think it's just so pretty. It's a perma finish, and it's matte galvanized almond, and isn't that just such a beautiful color? Absolutely love that. And then we have a Miyuki 11-0. So this is a 8 to 9 gram tube. And this Miyuki 11-0, this is that gorgeous pewter. I absolutely love it. This is a 10 gram tube. Okay, I've added a 15-0 on, and this is the full Labrador silver color. And I just love this. I like that we've got a warmish silver in the pewter and a really cool Labrador silver, which I think plays off so nicely. Next up, we have some delicas. So we have 2 delicas. We've got an opaque dyed flax color. And again, I really wanted to pull in the colors of the walls of the cave. And then we've got this pretty sort of turquoise AB color. Isn't that pretty? Okay, next up, we have some check glass. We have a 2mm fire polish and a 3mm fire polish. And there are 50 to the strand. And I love this color. It's the 3mm. It's Suede Gold Cloud Dream. And look at this gorgeous oceany blue color. Those are so pretty. Okay, next up we have some mini gem duos, and this is called Tropical Rainforest. You get an 8.5 gram tube, lots of beads in here, and we'll have some fun playing with these. I love that color. So saturated. Okay, next up we have another mini gem duo, 6x4 millimeter crystal full Labrador, and I wanted to incorporate the Labrador into this, you know, to go with the seed beads and the colors. So I think that's such a beautiful, beautiful silvery color. Next up we have some Swarovski crystal, and we have these round pearls, 8 millimeters. You get a strand of 50, and I love this light gray color, silvery gray. So beautiful. Such good quality. I mean, I'm really impressed with the Swarovski pearls. They're beautiful. We have some crystal faceted oval beads, 9.5 by 6 millimeter, pack of 10. So you get 2 colors. I picked out this beautiful capri blue, and look at that pretty, like very saturated green. Love these. We've got the Elite Crystal, and look at this gorgeous oval fancy stone. So that's an 18 millimeter, 13 by 18 millimeter. We have 2 14 millimeters in the, this is in Royal Blue Delight, and this is Laguna Delight. And look at these chatons. Look at that sparkle. These are 8 millimeter, and again, this is the Royal Blue Delight, and we are going to have a lot of fun with these. I think they're just gorgeous. Look at that sparkle. It's mesmerizing. Okay, how gorgeous are these 4 millimeter Preciosa bicones? And this is a mix, and I love these. They're so pretty. I had fun choosing this mix. You've got some matte, you've got some shiny, you've got some like really reflective coatings. So just gorgeous. Absolutely adore these. Preciosa really does a beautiful bicone. Okay, we're not done yet, but I just wanted you to get a look at what we have so far. I think it's so, so beautiful. I cannot wait for us to make some fun projects with this. All right, let's get on. Let's move on. Okay, next up we have some 3x2 millimeter Chinese crystal beads, and you get nice long strands. You have 3 strands here. We've got a pretty turquoise here. We've got this, it's called dark air blue opal, so a darker bead than the regular air blue opal, and I love it. Look at this pretty sort of cave color. So it's kind of a beigey, a little taupey color. So just gorgeous. You get 3 strands with lots and lots of beads on them. Next up we have some toggle clasps, and we've got a small one. This is 14.5 millimeter in silver, and I love that. I just like your standard one, but I just love that it's small. And then look at this one. I think this is so pretty. This is called a teardrop toggle clasp, and this is 18.5 millimeter, and I love that color. It's kind of like a, I don't know what you call it, like a dirty gold. Really pretty. Next up we have some ear wires, and these are crescent hooks with loops. They're 18.5 millimeter, and these are new to me. I have not used these before, but they're just so beautiful and simple. I love that they're simple. And you get a pair in silver and a pair in gold. Okay, so here you have it. Here's your Underground Cavern collection. And I hope you love it as much as I do. I so enjoyed picking out the beads for this collection. So thank you, Eureka Crystal Beads, for offering me the opportunity to curate another collection with you. I had an absolute blast. I'm going to link the collection in the description box below the video, along with their website, as well as their collection page, so you can check all that out and see if it's right for you. All right, so I want to thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you next time. Bye.